Hey. Just gonna get out of the line of fire here.
What are you doing, Marius? Are you throwing all of the blocks off of the table? There they go. They're all off the table. Now what are you going to do? Now what are you going to do? Be careful, sweetie. Be careful.